This is a demonstration of a modification I made to the latest One Company release. This is a Star Trek mood rock, and the original rock, which is this, actually it's very well made, very colorful. This is a Himalayan salt lamp. The Himalayan salt lamp, this weighs approximately 10 pounds, and it currently, I actually honed it out to hold the mechanism that goes in here. So as you'll see right now, it looks standard Himalayan salt lamp, but by using the remote control, first of all, the primary is the heating up of the rock, which is this mode. No. In this mode, it appears to get hotter and hotter, and then as you release it, it will cool down. Now there are many more modes to this, which it has different lighting effects. So we can go from to different colors. There's a, like a full green. Oops. Never mind that. Prop failure. I'm demonstrating it just on the Himalayan Salt Rock because they actually look almost identical when they're working, other than, of course, the way they look just unlit. Yeah, as soon as I saw this come out, I realized how much it looked like an actual Himalayan salt stone. This is just held in by some Velcro. It can be popped back into there, and this is where I spent many hours carving it. So maybe a limited edition one of one.